I can't stress how important it is that we engage patients into clinical trials. The access to clinical trials raises the opportunity for new drugs. And new drugs in blood cancers particularly have been transformative. If you look at the common diseases that we treat, including ALL, we understand more about those diseases now in 2020 than we did even 5 years ago because of clinical trials, because of data that has come out across the world and in the UK that picks up new targets. It tells us new things about the disease that we didn't know.
To try and start up a trial has always been extremely difficult. All the procedures you've got to go through in designing it and trying getting the help and the funding and all the rest of it. It's always been a very difficult thing to do, and to have the Trials Acceleration Programme to help you to do that and get a trial off the ground and have centres where you've got already nurses clued in to actually try and recruit patients and doctors all there ready to recruit patients and get the trials up and running as fast as possible. That's amazing to be able to do that. Not to mention all the backroom staff, if you like, and the clinical trial staff, data managers and all the rest of them that's required to try, and what you want is not just to get the trial started, give the drug, actually get an answer out of it as fast as possible so that we can, what ultimately we need to do is feed it back to the patients as quickly as you can, because that's where you next want to be. And this is a great programme for doing so.
Having the TAP programme, having an accelerated programme, which means that you can bring trials forward, you can bring new drugs into patient treatment arena, is the word transformative. You'll hear it used by politicians, you'll hear it thrown around. Actually, in this context, it's completely true. It is changing the opportunities that we have as doctors to say to patients, we would like to do this, and this is the evidence for it and the understanding for it. It's a key part of what we do in haemato-oncology programmes.